Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate round bar chart in Tableau. So for this, we'll first make the Excel file, which consists of path 1 to 180 degree. So close this file, and now I want to connect this file with the Tableau. Click on Sample Superstore Data, and from this data only, click on Data Source. Remove the people from here. Returns also, remove it. Now add that Excel sheet here. Book 1, open. Drag this sheet 1. A message will be displayed. Click on create relationship calculation, write down 1. Similarly, create relationship calculation, write down 1. So both the files will be connected with each other. Now click on sheet 1. So you will be able to see the path. Again, click on path, create the bins. The size of the bins, keep it 1, click OK. So path and path bins are ready. The next thing is I'll create the index. Create a calculated field, index -1. Click OK. Then we will generate the TC sales. Again, create the calculated field, TC sales, window, sum sales, divide by 2. When the message is displayed that the calculation is valid, click OK. Generate the next thing, that is TC year. Again, click here, create the calculated field. This time we are generating TC year. So TC year is window max year and order date. Calculation is valid, click OK. Let me check for TC cells. It should be divided by 2. Yeah, it is divided by 2. Fine. So TC sales, TC year is generated. Now we will generate the X position and Y position. So create the calculated field X position, which is cos radians index round bracket plus TC year. Click OK. Now generate the Y position. Get the calculated field Y. This will be sine of radians index. And this time multiply it by TC sales. Multiply it. So asterisk. Use asterisk. Click OK. Now drag the order date and drop it into the color. With the help of control button, pick up the same year and drop it into the detailing. So we are having year order date in year order date in color also and in detailing also. The next thing which you have to do is pick up X and drop it into the columns, pick up Y and drop it into the rows. Now pick up the path bin. Pick up the path bin from here and drop it before Y. With the help of control button, make sure that the control button is on. No, but before dropping path here, okay, first of all, convert this thing into polygon. A path will appear. Control button should be on and drop it into the path. Okay, with the help of control button, path is to be dropped in path. Just a minute, let me make some changes here. Press Ctrl Z. Instead of copying the path bin, do one thing. Drag and drop path. Don't create its copy. Okay, so path will be removed from here. From here, activate compute using the path bin. From here, compute using the path bin. Fine, that's perfect. Let me check first. Year order date is in color, year order date is in detailing, path bin is active, X is computed according to the path bin, Y is computed according to the path bin. A single stroke is appearing, quite good. Now click here, right click, edit the axis, and just see when I remove the tick from include the zero and its round bar chart is ready. Quite good. Now with the help of control tab, make sure control tab is on, you copy Y here and you can see now two round bar charts will appear. Now activate Y2 from here and instead of polygon make this line. So one round bar chart is filled and another we are only having the line in it. Okay. Now pick up the Y. Pick up the Y from here with the control tab. Make sure control tab is on and drop it into the labels. So the numbers will appear. You can see the numbers have appeared. Now there are many numbers which are appearing on the line chart. Activate Y2 delta from here in label. There are some changes which you have to make. In marks to label, activate minimum and maximum. In scope, line and pi should be active. And we don't want this 0 to be displayed, so remove this. So 0 is gone. This looks quite nice. Now in Y delta, in color, decrease the opacity and make it 50%. That is much better. Let me write down here 50%. Better. Convert this into the entire view. Make this as a dual axis. Quite nice. Now let us synchronize both these axes. Click here, synchronize the axis. Now remove the tick from show header. From here also, remove the tick, show header. Now I want the year order date to be displayed with these numbers. So with the help of control tab, drag and drop year order date into the labels. And you can see the number, the year has appeared. Now click on format, right click, format. I don't want all these lines. So first of all, I'll go and activate the lines from here, remove, make it none, gone, make the zero line none, gone, axis ruler none, and axis sticks also none. So make sure that you remove all of them. I don't want this years also, so I'll click here and remove the tick from show header. Next thing which I want to do is I want to do the little bit formatting of these numbers. So I'll click Y2 delta because these numbers are on Y2 delta. Click on label and from here, first of all, let us see the position. Should I keep the position same way? Yes, I'll keep the position same way only. So I'll select this one and increase the size little bit. And which color do I want? I will make this as, let's say, blue color. Okay, apply. And make it bold, apply. And this one, second one, I'll make it 10 and which color? I'll keep it orange, apply. Make it bold, click, apply, click OK. And you can see it generates a wonderful round bar chart. So this is a way you can generate round bar charts in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.